Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted app on your iPhone. So guys, if you have mistakenly deleted your apps from the iPhone or iPad in iOS 15 or 16 and you want to restore the app, you want to download it again, I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can restore the app. So for example, I'm going to download this VPN master, as you can see. So I'm going to delete the VPN proxy master. Now we need to restore this app. For that, open your iPhone App Store, click on App Store and just wait for a few seconds. Then guys, click on user icon in top right corner, then simply click on purchased, click on it, then click on not on this iPhone. So here is all the apps that I have deleted from your iPhone. These are all the app you have deleted from your iPhone. Now if you want to restore, just click on the download icon. So as you can see, here is the VPN proxy master, that app we have deleted. So if you want to restore it, then simply click on download icon and it will start downloading on your iPhone again. So as you can see guys, so there is a lot of app that you have deleted. You can just click on download icon and restore the app in your iPhone again. So thanks for watching guys, hope you like this video. If you have any problem guys, let me know in the comment, I'll try to help. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video, peace out.